The history of civil engineering. The beginning of civil engineering as a separate discipline may be seen in the foundation in France in 1716 of the Bridge and Highway Corps, out of which in 1737 grew the École nationale des Ponts et Chaussées, or National School of Bridge and Highways. Its teachers wrote books that became standard works of the mechanics of materials, machines, and hydraulics, and leading British engineers learned French to read them, as design and calculation replaced rule of thumb and empirical formulas, and as experts' knowledge was codified and formulated, the non-military engineer moved to the front of the stage. Talented, if often self-taught, craftsmen, stonemason, millwrights, toolmaker, and instrument makers became civil engineers. In Britain, James Brindley began as a millwright and became the foremost canal builder of the country. John Rennie was a millwright apprentice who eventually built the New London Bridge. Thomas Telford, a stonemason, became Britain's leading road builder. John Smeaton, the first man to call himself a civil engineer, began as an instrument maker. His design of Eddystone Lighthouse, 1756 to 1759, with its interlocking masonry, was based on a craftsman experience. Smeaton's work was backed by thorough research, and his services were much in demand. In 1771, he founded the Society of Civil Engineers, now known as the Smeatonian Society. Its object was to bring together experienced engineers, entrepreneurs, and lawyers to promote the building of large public works such as canals and later railways, and to secure the parliamentary powers necessary to execute their schemes. Their meetings were held during parliamentary sessions. The society follows this custom to this day. Formal education in engineering science became widely available as the countries followed the lead of France and Germany. In Great Britain, and universities, traditionally seats of classical learning, were reluctant to embrace the new disciplines. University College London, founded in 1826, provided a broad range of academic studies and offered a course in mechanical philosophy. So, King College London first taught civil engineering in 1838, and in 1840, Queen Victoria founded the first chair of civil engineering and mechanics at the University of Glasgow, Scotland. Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, founded in 1824, offered the first courses in civil engineering in the United States. The number of universities throughout the world with engineering faculties, including civil engineering, increased rapidly in the 19th and early 20th century. Civil engineering today is taught in universities across the world.